Welcome to our journey into the world of cauliflower, a humble yet extraordinary vegetable that packs a punch when it comes to nutrition and flavor. Join us as we delve into its rich history, cultivation, nutritional benefits, and versatile uses that make it a kitchen superstar. Hello, everyone. Today we're exploring the incredible benefits of cauliflower, from its cultivation to its culinary uses. Let's dive right in. Cauliflower, scientifically known as Brassica oleracea var. Botrytis, is a member of the cruciferous vegetable family. Its distinctive appearance, with tightly packed florets forming a compact head, makes it easily recognizable. The colors of cauliflower can range from snowy white to vibrant purple, making it not only nutritious but also visually appealing. Now, let's talk about its cultivation history. Cauliflower has been cultivated for thousands of years, with origins traced back to the Mediterranean region. Ancient civilizations such as the Greeks and Romans prized cauliflower for its nutritional value and medicinal properties. Today, cauliflower is grown worldwide, with major producers including China, India, and the United States. Its adaptability to various climates and soil types makes it a versatile crop for farmers. Now, let's explore the nutritional benefits of cauliflower. Cauliflower is low in calories but high in nutrients, making it an excellent addition to any diet. It's rich in vitamin C, K, and B6, as well as folate, fiber, and antioxidants. These nutrients support overall health, including immune function, bone health, and digestion. Despite its mild flavor, cauliflower is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Its neutral taste makes it a perfect canvas for a wide range of culinary creations. From roasted cauliflower steaks to creamy cauliflower soup, the possibilities are endless. Now, let's discuss the different varieties of cauliflower. While white cauliflower is the most common variety, there are several other colorful options to explore. Purple cauliflower, for example, contains anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that give it its vibrant hue. Orange cauliflower is rich in beta-carotene, which supports eye health. Each variety offers its own unique flavor and nutritional profile, so don't be afraid to mix it up in the kitchen. Cauliflower's versatility extends beyond its raw form. It can be used in a variety of dishes, from appetizers to main courses. You can steam it, roast it, mash it, or even turn it into rice or pizza crust. Cauliflower truly is a kitchen chameleon. Now, let's talk about the advantages and disadvantages of cauliflower consumption. One of the main advantages of cauliflower is its nutrient density, offering a wide array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. However, some people may experience digestive discomfort or gas when consuming cauliflower, especially in large amounts. It's important to listen to your body and consume cauliflower in moderation if you experience any adverse effects. And there you have it, the incredible benefits of cauliflower, from its rich history to its culinary versatility. Whether you're looking to boost your nutrition or get creative in the kitchen, cauliflower is a vegetable worth celebrating. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Stay tuned for more exciting episodes exploring the wonders of nature's bounty. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.